All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with two exotics right over here. I've got the Bulletproof shield in Zirkutai, and this guy is in Mokutai, and they are both fantastic options for the Bulletproof shield slider from WanWu Studio. But hey, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe and to comment, and feel free to express yourself, to dislike, do whatever you want, as long as it's enjoyment for yourself and you're gonna be happy. So let's go ahead and see the check this look, the sound and the feel of these two boys right over here. Look at that. I mean, mesmerizing stuff. Let's start with this. I picked, these are like custom orders, of course. It took like a few months to receive these guys because they are custom made. So this is the Moku tie. So it's like a titanium Damascus kind of affair, and it has engraved the chi. And you probably know what chi means. Of course, these are like very, very cool and very expensive sliders. They are in the $500 range, so not really cheap. This guy is even more expensive because Zirkutai is more than that. So here you can see all the layers that are in this pattern here. So this is not a coating, this is not paint, this is not, these are layers of different titanium alloys to create this kind of anodization pattern for the shield. And in this case, you have also an extra layer of zirconium because it's Zirkutai. So you got zirconium, titanium layered into this kind of super cool Damascus kind of fair, like really exotic materials employed. And of course, this is FB. This is the Fablades edition for this pretty cool slider. I mean, check out the inside. It's very, very nice, shimmering deal going on, and these are adding to this other guy over here for the one-off series of my bulletproof shields. I also have other materials, but these three are pretty unique, but we are here to talk about the exotics. So the overall size on this guy, like the width is going to be 1.1 inches with the height of 1.77 and a thickness of 0.35 inches. So oops, that was a light that fell off. No lights were hurt during this process. Also, let's quickly check the weight on this pair over here because they are pretty light. So Zirkutai is gonna weigh in at 42 grams or like 1.48 ounces. That's 1.33. That's the Mokutai. I mean, nothing like they're not gonna compare, like for example, to this guy over here weighing in at 0.47 ounces. I mean, that's the lightest of the bunch, but still, they are pretty light and pretty gorgeous if you ask me. They are classic sliders, so I decided not to use them because first of all, these are like collector's piece that I would never sell. They just will stay in my collection, so I don't want to use them because it can happen some discoloration as you play with them. Like for example, you can see this titanium, after you play a little bit, the anodization wears off. It's not a big deal, you can re-anodize it, but I just decided to keep these pristine and just enjoy, I don't know, some other ones, like something in steel, maybe something in brass, or maybe cupro-nickel, maybe that acrylic one, or maybe, one of my favorite that I use, the most is probably this zirc, because zirc is one of my favorite metals. So these two are not going to see any use because I want just to keep them like that. But they are basically sliders. They have 6 magnets on the inside, and they do this. It's just like a simple but effective and lovely feel that you enjoy, you experience in your hands. Really, really cool haptic feedback to your hands as you play, and the sound is also really nice. These two are exotics, one-off, sold out, really expensive, hard to get, super cool looking fidget toys. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.